Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your shipping label in the Vinted application. So first of all, you need to open your Vinted application and then sign in into your account. Then simply select the option of your profile icon and click on the option of your profile. Now over here, you just have to simply go to the My Sales section and select the order that you are preparing to ship. Now the shipping labels are only available after the buyer has completed the payment. So when you just select the option of digital shipping label, it is going to look something like this. Now over here you are going to see the QR code, the order information, the recipient, and the information about the delivery estimate and label expires. So you are going to see the option of download QR code, and if it is without QR code, you will see the option of download the shipping label. So you just have to simply select that and you can download it in the form of PDF. Now if you don't see the label, you can check whether the shipping method uses a QR code instead. So in the form of QR code, you need to download this QR code, which you can download by selecting this download QR code option in the bottom. So that's how you can basically find it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.